Hi guys, and today we're going to be doing a fall look. It's not one that you would normally wear every day. I'll just use the colors of the fall and the leaves to do this makeup tutorial, and yeah, let's get started. I'm going to put this as primer for my eyes. I'm going to use a stippling kind of brush. I'm going to use this in the shade Light on my eye. I'm going to use my ring fingers and blend them out. I'm going to use this palette and the color Honey Buns, and just put this all over my lid. I will now use the Coastal Scents palette. I will be using the orange color over here and put this on the inner corner over here. I'll be using the orange kind of red and the dark red together, and I'll put that in the very out corners over here and blend that along. And blend everything together. Now I will be using LA Girl matte eyeliner and line my eyes.
6 hours later.
I'm going to take the two red colors again and put it halfway into my lower eyes. And now I'll be using this other end and blending it out. I'll use these lashes with the Kiss Lash glue. I'll be using e.l.f. eyebrows. I'll use these two different primers and put them on the stippling brush. I'm going to use the e.l.f. color corrector, put it on my red spots, and then I'm going to use my number 7 foundation and honey. Just put it on my face. I'm going to use my beauty blender, blend it up. I'm going to be using the number 7 concealer now. I'm going to use my Airspun loose powder. I'm going to use the Rainforest After Dark palette and use this little bronze thing over there and contour my face. Now I'm going to wipe off the powder, use my Laura Mercier. Now I'll take my pretty Vulgar blush. I'll take the Butterfly Beach cream highlighter. I will now take the Master Chrome. I will now take the NYX lip liner. I'm going to take the e.l.f. lipstick. Lastly, I will use the e.l.f. Beauty Shield Setting Spray. And that is the finished look. Bye!
My leg's cramping.
I'll take my stippling brush and use these
No one
two.
cares.
I look like a crackhead, but that's okay. Where's my iPad? Oh. Even though what you did to me much, much worse.